When you buy standard health insurance, you are usually forced into a rigid box. You either pay a premium for features you will never use, or you buy a cheap plan and face high bills when you actually get sick. The Galaxy Marvel policy is a modular financial product. Instead of a single fixed package, it provides a base layer where you select and attach specific blocks of coverage based on your needs. Looking at the sum insured options in the brochure, coverage limits start at 5 lakhs and go up to 200 lakhs for high-limit protection. But with dozens of toggleable riders and optional covers, identifying the necessary configuration is difficult. Without a clear strategy, it is easy to select overlapping features that add cost without adding protection. To navigate these choices, we will map specific riders to targeted life stages to create precise configurations. Evaluating this brochure requires acting like a policy architect, matching exact coverage blocks to your current liabilities. Your first decision is choosing between the baseline Neo plan and the upgraded Prime plan. This section of the brochure highlights a feature shared by both tiers: Unlimited Automatic Restoration. If you drain your sum insured, the policy restores it for the same or different diseases within that year. This is a safety net for a catastrophic year. However, because you must deplete your base sum insured before this kicks in, it does not lower your out-of-pocket costs for minor, frequent hospital visits. The Prime plan includes upgrades for day-to-day medical costs. It covers 68 hospital consumables and includes organ transplantation coverage automatically. Prime also includes the Premium Promise feature. If you remain claim-free and are under age 55, your premium rate is locked and will not increase. The Prime plan carries a higher base premium. If you are young and healthy, prepaying for those consumable coverages may not be cost-effective. Your base tier choice sets the floor of your strategy, deciding between prepaying for medical comfort with Prime or insuring against rare catastrophes with Neo. The first configuration is for the pre-existing patient. For buyers needing immediate relief, the strategy hinges on the Instacare rider. According to the brochure, Instacare covers pre-existing conditions related to asthma, blood pressure, cholesterol, and diabetes starting on the 31st day of the policy. You pay an upfront premium surcharge to bypass the standard 24 to 36-month waiting period. It is a direct expense to reduce immediate financial risk. The second configuration is for the expanding family. Here, 2 riders are relevant: Partner Protect and Delivery Expense. These riders are highly targeted. Partner Protect allows waiting periods to carry forward to a new spouse under 35, while the Delivery Expense rider covers maternity costs up to 2 lakhs. Family riders have a specific window of utility. Once your family is complete, these riders no longer offer value and should be removed. These riders allow you to customize the policy for specific life events. However, failing to remove them once those events pass results in unnecessary premium costs. The third configuration is for the young optimizer. These buyers manipulate the policy mechanics to lower their premium costs. The primary tool for cost reduction is the Gala Fic Pro Active Care Program, which offers a discount of up to 20% on your renewal. The 20% discount requires consistent engagement with the wellness tracking app. Passive users who do not track their activity will not realize these savings. The Wealth for Health optional cover promises to return your first-year base premium. This requires a block of 5 consecutive claim-free years. A single claim resets the timeline, meaning the premium paid for this rider is lost. The most direct cost-cutting tool is the voluntary aggregate deductible, which you can set between 10,000 and 10 lakhs. A high deductible offers a lower premium but increases your liability. You must pay all medical bills up to that threshold before the insurance coverage begins. These discounts are a calculated trade. You provide personal health data and accept upfront financial risk to lower your premiums. Galaxy Marvel is a powerful insurance tool, but its value depends on the buyer's willingness to calculate the math and manage the riders. This policy works for the chronic optimizer, individuals with blood pressure or diabetes who use the Instacare rider for day 31 coverage. It also fits the disciplined saver. A young person can stack multi-year discounts, use the Fit Pro app, and accept a high deductible to create a low-cost catastrophic safety net. However, buyers looking for a simple, hands-off experience should avoid this policy. Adding optional covers to the Neo plan without a strategy leads to overpayment for overlapping features. Do not treat the Galaxy Marvel policy like a fixed menu. treat it like an investment portfolio that requires strategic configuration and annual monitoring to ensure the coverage matches your needs.